Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? So what's going on? Today video is very important and very important because in this time the price is pumps up. So when a price will pumps up, the holder are starting investing, and those days especially my friend, this is the end of month. So after the end of month, in the second month my friend, in the start of month, every coin will fail us down. So therefore in this month just and only my friend, 1-2 day my friend, the price will pumps up, other one my friend they will fails down. So therefore holder or cannot understand my friends to what we will need to earn money from crypto, from Pancakeswap, and what we will need to take a decision my friends. This is very important, decision my friends, to hold, sell or buy in good time my friend. If you take a good decision, so 100% you will get a profit, otherwise my friend you will completely lost. So my friend, in this time you can see 2.53% they will get a profit in last 24 hours. So I think it's not a small profit. 2.5%, this is very good profit, and absolutely if they were just only hit now 5% profit, so I will give you guarantee to they will hit now 25 USD dollar my friend. This time you can see here the current price is 19.15 USD dollar. I hope my friends today will easily hit now 25 USD dollar. My friends, just in only in those days every coin will falls down. Other my friend, especially when the price will pumps up, so definitely they will completely go in the moon. So thanks for watching my all Pancakeswap holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.